This is just to let you know I've officially started the DR650 series on my other channel, the adventure riding one. I won't be posting these DR650 vids here, as it's not really a cross-training bike, although we're going to try and pretend it is occasionally. I should warn you though, we tend to get a bit religious on this other YouTube channel.
Almighty DR, bestow your blessings upon us.
Anyway, the series is just going to be about modifying the old bush pig into a half-decent adventure bike. I reckon even if you aren't into that sort of thing, feel free to have a look. I can guarantee it's going to be at least as dumb, misleading and full of Gumby riding as most of this cross-training channel is. I just picked up the old girl last night from her first stage of suspension work. Keen as mustard to get out this weekend and see how she's handling. Ciao ciao.